everybody, my name is Baby Yoda. If you can see him in my bathroom still. And I'm going to show you how to do your ABCs in a kind of way. So let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So I did my ABCs, guys, right? So yeah. So let me show you how to do it backwards. Z, X, D, E, F, G. That's how I do it backwards. How do you turn this off? Just joking, guys. I did it wrong. But I promise you guys I'm going to do a better video, but... turn this off.